my people, how you doing? It's your baby girl, Mama Ondo of Africa. You're welcome back to learning Ondo dialect with Mama Ondo. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly press the subscribe button right now because if you don't do so, you're gonna miss a lot. Today, I'm going to introduce you to family in Ondo dialect. Family, family. So the first person on my list here is when you have a younger sibling. Tí Yorùbá máa ń pè ní àbúrò. If you want to call a younger sibling in Ondo dialect, it's being called àbúò. Àbúò. Àbúrò mi. Àbúrò mi. Àbúò. The R in Yoruba is being removed when you want to pronounce it in Ondo dialect. Àbúrò mi. And you have a elder sibling that's older than you, older sibling. So that one is being called ẹ̀gbọ́n in Yoruba. But in Ondo dialect, it's being called ẹ̀gí. Ẹ̀gí is a sign of respect. Most time be like, they be like Ondo ẹ̀gí, Ondo ẹ̀gí. Ẹ̀gí is like everybody. That person might be a male or a female, but in as much as that person is older than you, you regard that person as ẹ̀gí, ẹ̀gí táyé, ẹ̀gí lólú, ẹ̀gí táwà. So I'm taking it to another level entirely. I don't want to take it there, just a gradual process. So the next one here is how to regard to gender, a male and a female, a man and a woman. So in Yoruba, a woman is being called obìnrin, but in Ondo, it's being called obìn. Obìn. In Yoruba, a man is being called ọkùnrin. But in Ondo dialect, it's being called ọkùn ẹ. Ọkùn ẹ. So the next one here is, I told you father are being called by, mothers are being called ye. If someone we want to ask, where is your father in Ondo dialect? Where is your father? Like, baeke, baeke, baeke. You know the other time is by. But now they are asking you, your own father. Baeke. And they want to ask of your mother. Yeke. 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 So it's very, very simple. Just a little difference in Yoruba and Ondo. So if you want to ask, where is the younger one? Abueke. Abueke. And that is assignment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mama Ondo Africa. Anticipate for the next episode. Learning Ondo with Mama Ondo of Africa. Such a privilege. Love you. Bye.